Now at this point, what we're going to start focusing on is the interior walls that are not connected to any part of our border. Up to now, you should have all of the walls that are connected to the side border, just like I have in my program here. Now to get these interior walls, we are not going to be snapping to anything at first. We are just going to estimate where this first box is going to go. So I know that I need to draw a rectangle that is, again, a 1/4 inch thick by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 quarters of an inch long. So I'm going to start a 2D sketch. We are going to click in our maze just like we've been doing. I'm going to go 10 quarters of an inch, which is 2.5 inches long by 0.25 inches wide. Now what we want to do is we need to position this both horizontally or vertically and horizontally. Let's do this horizontal first. I can see that the edge of this wall is 1, 2, 3 quarters away from the edge of my maze. So I'm going to go dimension. I'm going to click the left side of that wall and the side of my maze. And because this is 1, 2, 3 boxes away, we know that this is 3/4 of an inch away. Now this is almost there. We know that it is in the correct spot horizontally. Let's figure it out vertically. I'm just going to grab the closest point so I can go from right here 1, 2, 3 boxes away from the bottom of this wall. So I can dimension from this point up to this point, and again moving my mouse down to get that dimension to pop up, and this is going to be 3/4 of an inch. At this point I can just hit finish sketch, extrude, 0.75 for our height as always, and then hit OK. The next wall, I'm going to get this little piece here, and I want to snap my rectangle to this point over here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 boxes down from there. So let's start our maze. Rectangle from the corner, again wait for that to turn green, and we are going to go 0.25 thick by 0.75 inches long. Finish sketch, extrude, and that is good there. Let's do one more. Let's do this one right here. Okay, again I'm just going to estimate drawing this first box here. I know that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 quarters of an inch, or 1.25. So let's start a sketch. Let's draw it close to where it is, 1.25, and our thickness is 0.25. Now I can see that it's really close to here, so let's get this distance. From this side of the wall to this wall is 1, 2, 3 boxes. So let's dimension from this side to this side, 0.75. And then let's dimension from here up to here. Again, that is another 0.75. So we can go here to here, 0.75. Let's finish this sketch, extrude, and OK. Next, I'm going to start drawing this from this corner right here. Start sketch, rectangle from the green dot. This is 0.25, and I see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes long, or 1 inch. Finish sketch, extrude, and OK. Hopefully this helps. Let me know if you need help.